Wow. Pulford border. You're in Wales, you've gone abroad. 10 more yards, you've gone abroad to Wales. Chester Marathon crosses the border at Pulford. Pulford is the final frontier. You're in Wales, you've gone abroad. You're nearly abroad. No passports needed. You're in Wales. We've avoided Brexit passports. You're in Wales abroad. You've avoided the Brexit passport, so you're in Wales in 10 yards. Whee! Hey! Keep going. You're abroad in Wales without a passport need. Oh la la. You're soon in Wales. Welcome to Wales at Pulford, the final frontier. You didn't need a passport. We are not done Brexit. Ooh la la. The final frontier is Pulford to Wales. You've made it when you've made it to Wales. Wrexham spelt with a C in Welsh. Welcome to Wales at Pulford. Ali, masha masha. Masha masha. Welcome to Wales. You've made it without need of a passport. Welcome to Wales at Pulford, the final frontier. You're on video YouTube tonight. Welcome to Wales at Pulford, the final frontier. The final frontier. Welcome to Wales. Without a passport, you don't need a passport to get around Europe still. Welcome to Wales. Now we're in England. The bastards. Oh, mustn't swear. Welcome to Wales. Without a passport need. You need a visa soon. Welcome to Wales. You've gone abroad soon. Welcome to Wales. You're on YouTube tonight. Wolf Run. Welcome to Wales. At Pulford, the Grosvenor Final Hotel Frontier. They do vegan Thai green curries. Welcome to Wales, the final frontier, without a passport need. Alifea. No, we're not going in the hotel. Welcome to Wales, the final frontier. Nelson's Pubs owns they own a few. Nelson has a column in London, but a hotel in Cheshire. Welcome to Wales, the final frontier, without a passport still needed. Oh, there's the little bridge. Right, come on. We're going to see Mr. Christopher. Try and piss someone else off. Oh, la 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 la. Hey, Nasher's here. Hello, they like the Chester Marathon Day. Welcome to Wales, the final frontier at Pulford. Oh, isn't that a lovely plant? Oh, and fuchsias are out. Oh, don't worry, she won't kill the kid, she don't eat her. Oh, yes, he's very child friendly. Yeah, the other one isn't so much, but don't worry, I watch her. Well done, welcome to Wales, the final frontier, without the need of a passport still.
For now.
Well, for now. Well, don't worry, it won't happen. They are half the nation are sensible. When they talk about what the people want, there's half the nation want something else, yes? We do not want passports to Wales. Down with Brexit!
Oh, please!
Oh, I had to get that in.
Brexit-free morning.
No, that's not possible, dear Cecily. Well done! Well done! Welcome to Wales, the final frontier. Is it? Oh. Oh, right, I was going to say it's a bit early yet. Welcome to Wales, the final frontier.
There he is. Let's get a picture.
So this is on YouTube tonight, Pulford Marathon. I do it every few years, yes.
Yeah.
Well, yes, with the Belgian vegan dogs. Ali, off we go, on Marsha. Oh, we've got cyclists. I don't know why people cycle on these roads, that's too dangerous. Too dangerous, go to Micey Pant. Welcome to Wales, the final frontier, no need of passports yet. Yes, never over my dead body, as Brexit, Bojo said and doesn't mean. Do you remember? I'd rather die in a ditch, he said. Oh, you don't remember that bit? Oh, you don't watch Brexit news. He said he'd rather die in a ditch than not do Brexit. Well, I hope he keeps his word. Boris, yes, Boris, that Boris. Not as in Boris, whatever. Other Borises, you know. Oh, welcome to Wales, the final frontier. St Mary's Church at Pulford welcomes you. All the people that go to church will be pissed off at having their cars stopped. They did, that's what I got one day. One year I was there and the woman came out, yeah, we couldn't get to park this morning to go for the service. Miserable people go to church, is what I said to her. Oh God. Welcome to Wales, the final frontier, no passports needed. You're on YouTube tonight. YouTube tonight. Whether you want it or not, I always just let people know. The laws about CCTV don't apply to handheld cameras. Right, off we go. Lovely day, lovely day. Look how many people there are. Welcome to Wales, the final frontier. You've made it. You're in Wales without a passport needed. Oh, I say I ought to get a megaphone. Welcome to Wales, the final frontier. Do some, man. Try not to kill any other dogs on the way. Oh, welcome to Wales, the final frontier. There's babies ahead. Watch out for Nasha. Welcome to Wales, the final frontier. No passports needed. Right, we're nearly home. We're just round the corner. Welcome to Wales. You're on YouTube tonight. Welcome to Wales, the final frontier. YouTube tonight. YouTube tonight. Welcome to Wales. You're on YouTube tonight. Welcome to Wales, the final frontier. Agosh, to the left, you dumbos. Goddleston. Oh, I'm hot. Welcome to Wales, the final frontier. YouTube tonight. Oh, I'm hot. I'm hot and I'm not even in the marathon. It's just the walking and the cheering is hard work. It's all right, don't worry. We're up. Right, do some up. All right. Thank you. Well, thank you. Got it. Welcome to Wales, the final frontier. Oh yes. You're on YouTube tonight. Welcome to Wales, the final frontier, St Mary's Church. There's our road up there. Oh, of course they blocked it all off. PPs, that's it. Welcome to Wales without a passport needed yet. Welcome to Wales, the final frontier. YouTube tonight. Oh, I says the dead, that's on my birthday, we remember them. Welcome to Wales, you're on YouTube tonight. We're nearly home. Well, we've been in the fields, haven't we? Welcome to Wales, the final frontier, no passports needed.